In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on PayPal. If you need to ask someone to send you money through PayPal, the process is pretty quick once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you can confidently create and send a payment request without confusion. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and go to your main account area. From there, look for the option labeled Send and Request and click it. This is the section where PayPal lets you either send money to someone else or request money from another account. If you're not sure where to start, this is the correct place. Next, you'll need to enter the name of the account you want to request money from. Type the name into the search or recipient field carefully so PayPal can locate the correct account. It's a good idea to double check the spelling here, especially if the person has a common name, because choosing the right account helps avoid sending the request to the wrong person. Once the matching account appears, click on that account to select it. This tells PayPal exactly who should receive the money request. Take a quick moment to confirm that you've selected the correct person before moving on. After that, type in the amount you want to request. Make sure the number is accurate, since this is the amount the other person will see when they receive your request. If you're collecting payment for something specific, it can help to pause and verify the total before continuing. When the amount is entered, click on Request. This moves the request forward and brings you closer to the final confirmation screen. At this stage, PayPal is preparing the payment request based on the recipient and the amount you entered. You may then see the amount you want to send or request displayed on the screen. Click on that amount to review it. This step gives you one more chance to make sure everything looks right before the request is officially submitted. Reviewing details before confirming is always a smart habit, especially for money-related actions. Finally, click on Request a Payment. This sends the request to the selected account through PayPal. Once it's submitted, the recipient will be able to view the request and choose whether to pay it. And that's it. That's how to request money on PayPal. As a final tip, always review the recipient and amount carefully before sending any request, just to avoid mistakes and keep the process smooth.